Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another easy hair day. You know how we do it around here. Thank you for stopping by once again. If you are a returning subscriber and if you have not subscribed before, please do subscribe. Here I share hair tips and how to get your hair on and going with very easy hairstyles. All right, so the style today is just two big braids, just slick down. Something you can wear to the market anywhere you so desire. And you can even throw your wig on. So it's like killing two birds with one stone. You can carry the hair out if you want. You can also, just throw a wig on. Okay, so just to get the pattern very clean, I applied gel, just a little bit of it, and then I go in again with my pattern comb. And you see, doing this now, I'm reminded of growing up when these hairstylists that want to make our hair would start from our nose when they want to give us a pattern. So, whatever you need to do to get the pattern right, please do it. Again, I'm going in with my comb. See, if you watch the video from the beginning, you'd see I dampen the hair very well. Please don't work on dry hair. It's not good for you. It's not good for your hair. It's stressful. It's painful. So now that my hair is very, very moisturized, I can comb it out. And now I'm going in with the gel. And that's just to have it slicky. You can make this hair without gel, but because I want it all lying down very well, that's why I'm applying the gel. Maybe another time I'll make a video of the one you can make without the gel. The difference is that this one would last longer. Yeah, that's it. This would last longer and this would be sleekier. If you made it without the gel, it may not last as long and it might puff up. That's just the difference because it's a natural falsy hair. But if your hair is retouched, you can take your chances and make it without the gel. All right, so I'm going in with a brush again. At this point, I was really tempted to make another style because it was giving me the slicky I wanted. But again, hey, I already said this was what I was going to do, so let's get started on it. If you have not seen my video on how to cornrow your hair, I will drop the link just up above so you can click on it and watch it right after this video. All right, there I taught in detail how to do this. So if you don't know how to cornrow your hair, this may just be a little difficult for you. This would be plenty in your hands. So in that my video, I was detailed about how to part your hair in small sections and walk. But now we're working with a larger chunk of hair because the entire hair on my head would be cut just into two. So you can imagine how bulky it would be. So, but don't be scared. Don't fret. You can do it. You can do it if you try. So just keep watching. You would see how it's going to turn out in the end. As I said, please watch that video so you can learn step by step on how to do this on your hair. The entire hair, again, will not take long. Maybe like 10-15 minutes. That is exclusive of editing. It shouldn't take long at all, especially if you have your hair very well gelled up. It's just going to be slicky. So that's me just checking out my work. Is it going fine? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And we're done with the very first one. So now for this part, you can decide to add an extension, but this hair is going to be just your hair, nothing else. If there's anything that is going to come on this hair, it will just be accessories. That's all. Nothing else. No extensions. Just my hair and gel and accessories that will come in later. All right. So stay with me. What we did on the first part will replicate on the second part. Again, do not work on dry hair. Let it not pain you because it's really very painful. Right. So I'm just brushing it out again so that it will give me that slicky feel. And just a tip on how to do this. 3 hairs in front and then just cross. Yeah, now this is a closer view of it. Just cross as you go and add as you work. And it gets bulkier as you go, but hey, do not deter. You will end it well. That's a word of encouragement for someone, right? I could have just stopped the video here, but hey, you need to see the detail of how this went down. All right, so that's why I am showing you very detailed what I did there. All right. So just a few seconds or minutes, we'll be rounding off with this hair. And then now, if you want, as I said, you can add an extension at the tip of it, but no, I don't want that. So I'm just going to round it off right here. And there we have it. The hair is all done and easy. So this you can wear anywhere, to the market, school runs, grocery shopping, running errands, whatever you want, just go. From this point onwards, I'm like, I got it. I got it. Let me just do the edges small, just to add. Someone would say, "Va va boom." Just add flair to the hair. All right. And I used my Gorilla Wax. I love that. It gives me the finishing that I want. Okay, so at this point, right, I'm just wondering, should I do a little bit of makeup or should I just stop it here? But hey, you have to see the full beauty. So I needed to do something for my face. But before I do that, let me use this my legendary brush that I never fail to use when I'm doing edges. Okay, and as usual, tie it up so it slicks out very well. We need to have it slicky, right? So the window between the tying of the hair and when I'm going to lose it, I'll just use it to, dab my face just up a bit. I'm not very heavy on makeup. I don't like heavy makeup. I do makeup, but not so heavy. In fact, I'm a trained, certified makeup artist, just by the way. But for my face, maybe it's just a period. I don't want heavy makeup on my face. Just my lashes is the most pronounced thing on my face right now. And there we have it. Do you like it? I love it. I love it. Honestly, this is just giving me joy right now. So as I said earlier, we'll just accessorize. So that's just me adding a thing or two just to, jazz things up a bit. So there is me blushing, right? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll be posting more videos soon. Bye bye.